God message for you today. What is impossible for man is possible for me. I am the Alpha and the Omega. I am a miracle worker. I am your God and I am with you. 8888. This angel number is saying to you today, the opportunity for transformation is upon you. Take advantage of the 8888 energy to manifest abundance beyond your wildest dream. Type 8888 to enter your abundance timeline. The universe is saying to you today, within you is the power to choose to live the life you choose to experience. It is a time for you to stand up for yourself and take responsibility for your thoughts, actions and reactions to everything that is taking place in your world. Subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you all.